In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Wix account permanently. So let's see how we can do it. To delete your Wix account, at first you need to log into your Wix account and then from the top right corner, click on your account icon and then click on account settings. After that, just scroll down to the bottom and here you will see an option for close your account. To close your account, at first you need to delete all the websites that are available on your Wix account. After that, if you have any premium plan, then you will have to cancel it, and if you have any domains connected to your Wix account, then you need to transfer them first before closing your Wix account. It is very easy to delete all the Wix websites. Just go to my websites. Now to delete any website, just click on this three dots button and then click on move to trash. Now again click on move to trash. And as you can see that your website is now moved to trashed. And if you want to cancel your premium services, just click on your account icon and then select premium subscriptions from here. After that, just click on the three dot button next to the premium subscription and then click on cancel plan. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.